Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy new week to you all. How are you all doing today? So guys, today's video I will be mixing very effective hair grease for hair growth for your hair and your scalp. Okay, especially on your scalp when your hair is on protective style. So this video is for you. So now I have here my virgin hair fertilizer that is finished. So I have new one here because I don't really love to stay out of this product. So the next one is damatol. So I have a review of this product on my channel. This is sulfur 8, so which is good for your hair and your scalp, can treat dandruff, itchy scalp, or if any scalp issue. So here I have the 100% Indian hemp from kuza. So this one is also for your hair and your scalp treatment. So I'm going to add this one as well. This one is the mega growth. So this one is good for your thinning hair, your thinning edges, your anywhere that you have thinning hair is good to regrow back your hair. So I'm putting it because to help us to also grow our hair as well. And I love the smell of this product. Is tempo recovery. So when your hair is falling out, there's some places that your hair is not growing fast, that product is going to do that for you. Here is the Africa best. So here is the Africa best super grow, and the other one is the Africa best herbal grow. So the two is really good for hair growth. As you can see, I'm almost done with this one because I really love their hair grease. It's so super effective and also moisturized. Here is my DIY hair grease I made. This is like the virgin hair fertilizer version that I made. So this one is the blue magic Indian hemp. I recently make a video on this one, how I mix it for hair growth. I will leave it at the description box below. This one is DAX. This one is for DAX. It's for itchy scalp treatment. So that's why I'm adding it to it in case you have itchy scalp. So if your scalp itchy, so it's also inside there. Now you can start using your grease like this, just the way it is, if it's not too thick for your scalp. So if you feel that it's too thick for your scalp, so I'm going to add some oil to make it like liquidy, more liquidy. So here I have my meat oil. So that is meat oil. This one I have vitamin E. I'm also going to add this one as well because vitamin E is good to improve hair growth as well. So the next one is my safflower oil, which is good to stimulate blood flow in the scalp and in turn promote hair growth. So if you don't have any of this oil, anyone that you have, you can just make use of it and just leave the rest for God. So here I have castor oil, the extra dark one. So this one is for mango and lime. So the next thing is jojoba oil. So I'm also going to add this because this is good to moisturize our hair or seal our hair. So it's a very good product for hair growth as well. So here I have my Indian hemp oil, which I'm really loving, guys. Like this product is gradually promoting my hair growth every day. Like I love this oil so much. I cannot do without this oil now. Okay, so now I have my wheat germ oil. This one is also good for your scalp, like stimulate blood flow in the scalp and also promote hair growth. So guys, I'm going to add avocado oil, which is also good to moisturize our hair and also contribute to hair growth. So I'm going to add 1 spoon of this. All this oil that I'm adding, they are very beneficial for our health. So if you don't have oil, just add the one that you have. Okay, try to add the one that you have. So next I'm going to add olive oil. So guys, olive oil is my first oil that I started using on my hair when I went natural. To date I'm still loving it because it's really good. Like, it can moisturize your hair from the inside. So now that I have all my oils, it's now time for me to add my set of essential oil, which is also very good to promote hair growth, to like keep your scalp in a good condition, in a good environment, to promote hair growth. So if you don't have all these essential oil, you can just use the one that you have. So yeah, to my returning subscriber in the house, thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. I really do appreciate you all. If you are new here, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for you clicking on this video to watch. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. If you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you. So guys, I forgot to add this one, which is the Indian hemp from DAX, which I recently make a video on it. Guys, just go and check that video out. Okay, I will leave it at the description box below. So now I'm done putting everything together. Why did I not use the bigger bowl? What is wrong with you? So I'm just going to try to be careful so that everything will not create a mess here. I don't know why I did not use the bigger bowl, because I don't think I'm going to like create this much. So nevertheless, I'm just going to be careful while mixing it together. So just take your time to mix the oil and the grease together very well. So guys, now we have our grease. So it's time for me to show you how I and you will be using this grease on our scalp. So this is my hair on protective style on braid. So now, and this is how my hair is looking like, current stage of my hair. Now I'm not going to take this down, so I will be showing you how I will be using this on my scalp and also on my hair. Here I have my hair growth spray, so I'm going to spray that on my hair, on my scalp, and also on my hair. Then after oh my after spraying this, I also spray it on my edges because they need to also grow, you know. So make sure you spray it on your scalp very well, on your hair, the hair in your scalp, the area that you braid. Make sure you concentrate, you spray it inside that place, and then when you are done, just spray it on your hair as well, the length of your hair, the ends of your hair, and every part of your hair. When you are done with that, just press the product into your hair length, then massage your scalp very well. So when you are done massaging that in, you take your hair grease that I missed earlier, then you rub it on your palm, then you rub it on your hair in a circular motion, just the way I'm doing it right now. So when you are done rubbing that on your hair and on your scalp, just give your scalp a very good massage, 5 to 10 minutes. Then when you are done massaging your scalp and the grease, you take a grease again and put it on your hair length just like so, and press it into your hair length very well. So now that we are done, I'm just going to pack my hair. I'm going to pack my hair with a rubber band just like so. So if you are staying at home, just pat it this way, and if you want to go to work, maybe you use it in the morning, then you want to go to work, you can wear your net, the one that you people wear first before you wear cap. Maybe this is not the one, this is the one that I wear when I'm at home. If I'm staying at home, I'll normally wear this one, so that they can still be breeze entering my hair. So if you make this, like if you do this in the night, so if you do this treatment at night, you want to go to sleep, you have to tie your hair, or just use your hair hair bonnet. So use your hair bonnet and just cover your hair. You don't really have to tie it. So if you don't have hair bonnet and you have scarf, you can use this your scarf and just tie your hair like this. After tying my hair like this, I'm going to use my hair bonnet on top of it, because I'm making this treatment at night, so it can work throughout the night and still continue working the next day, and still continue working the next day. So now I still have my spray, leave-in spray left, which I will use the next day. I use this spray on my hair 2 times a day, morning and night, but the grease I use like 3 times a week on my scalp, so, and also on my hair. So guys, this is how I make my hair grease for my hair and my scalp, and also how I treat my hair without my leave-in conditioner. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really do appreciate you all. Bye bye.